Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So let's talk about the front lawn. I've been away for 8 days, went to Colorado on vacation, did a lot of mountain hiking, sightseeing, national parking, things like that. My neighbor helped me out. He cut my yard once while I was away. I had the PGR application that I put down before I left, and then it poured rain all the time I was gone, except for the day he was able to cut it. I double cut today. I took off 2 bags of grass, which is not bad considering I went at a low rate of PGR. I went 0.11 ounces per 1,000. And here's what I've got. This is after a double cut. I'm gonna back up, let you take a look. This one area right here, when I left, it was still pretty good amount of sand. That was a very low spot that I spot leveled. So it is almost grown back in. And here's the lawn. Man, it looks good. Double cut. So there you go. Here's the opposite side. Now, what I did benefit from is right here. If you remember from one of my past videos, I told you do not get behind on your irrigation, your watering, because if you do, you'll be playing catch up for the rest of your season. Luckily, all that rain helped catch me up, so I will not get behind again on this, but it is looking good. Here is an upward view. So, like I said, we had a ton of rain come in. So what did I do? First thing when I got home is I got out here, I put down a fungicide application. There was no rain yesterday, so that sat on the grass. It was able to work its way in through the blades. Then I came through today and I cut off any type of overwatering damage, or I guess that's what you want to say, appearance to the lawn. I cut off any fungus that was on it, and it looks good. My neighbor across the way here, he's having a fungicide treatment, I believe Sunday, by his lawn company. You can see a little bit of fungus in there. I don't know if it'll show up on my camera, but it's also some signs of stress from too much water from the rain. So here's again, opposite view of the lawn. Now, what do I plan on doing between now and the 4th of July? Probably nothing. I'm going to continuously cut. There's no reason to apply anything right now because the lawn is perfect as is. I couldn't ask for it to look any better. And that is my goal for the 4th of July. I may have a surprise on the 4th of July for you guys. But besides that, that's it. Just wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on. Bermuda O'Brien. Out. Go Dogs.